If this is ever you in the live markets, then keep watching. You've identified market structure is moving up. You've seen on the lower time frame that price is continuing that structure. You now set your order blocks for limits. You now look for the best order blocks to enter. You set your limits on these order blocks, and price just ends up moving away. So you try the same thing again. You set your limit at the new order block, but instead price comes back to just take you out. Now, if this is you, you need to pay attention. You can fix these mistakes in only 2 simple steps. And throughout this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that is and a live case study to show you how it works. And by the way, if you don't know me already, my name is Diamant. I've been trading for 7 years, profitable for the last 4, and I'm here to help you with these little tips. So let's get straight into it. Now, this is the basic understanding of market structure. We expect in an uptrend, price is continuously going to make these breaker structure upwards with pullback straight into the order blocks. But the reality is this couldn't be further away from the truth. Eventually, price is going to cause this change of character towards the downside, pull back and continue all the way down. But even then, we are not sure if price may even commit towards the downside. This may be a sweep or this may be a change of character. So how do we actually determine that? Now, most people think the way to actually solve, is it a change of character or a sweep, is by looking at the candles. Now, generally speaking, on the higher time frame, yes. If we get a full-on engulfing candle, this does mean it's a valid breaker structure. If it's only a wick, this means it's an invalid breaker structure. But on the lower time frame, the rules are completely different. And just to show you an example, this is the price action we just looked at. As you can see over here, price actually breaks down with a solid engulfing candle. Price pulls back up into this range. So yes, we are expecting that this is a change of character, but let's just see how it actually turns out. Instead of moving towards the downside, price eventually continues all the way up. So if you were actually looking for a sell towards the downside, you would have completely lost out on this trade. And so now here's the actual fix to this entire thing. What you're going to be looking for is a sweep, breaker structure, pullback, and ECR entry. Let me explain. So point number 1 is all about the sweep. As we can see, price is clearly moving towards the upside, and instead of moving up again, it sweeps this particular low over here. Now, the second part is all about the breaker structure. So once we've seen the sweep, we are going to anticipate a break of structure towards the upside again. Now, the next part is waiting for the pullback. We draw up our Fibonacci retracement, wait for the 62% Fib retracement. Now, remember, this isn't essential, but it really does help. Now we're looking for our reaction. Now, the last part is all about the ECR entry. This is all about the engulfing candle rule. To understand it, what we need to look for is for price to tap into the point of interest, push upwards, pull back, engulfing candle. If you want to know more about this in detail, I've got a full A+ setup and a 48-page PDF guide you can get down for free down below. Now, to best understand this entire thing, it's going to be through a live case study. So let's get into it. So just a quick little break. If you are looking to get funded with one of the most reliable prop firms in the industry, then look no further than Blueberry Funded. So they've been ranked as the most trusted broker-backed prop firm, offering some of the best trading conditions and challenges to suit all of your needs, with the opportunity to even get instant funding as well. Now, their scaling plan is one of the most progressive in the industry, with 25% increases on your account every 3 months, for completely free. Now, they bring in over 20 years of combined brokerage and prop firm experience, so you know you're in good hands, where they actually guarantee you 0 payout denials as long as you can stick to all the rules. And exclusively just for you guys watching, Blueberry Funded is giving you the best possible deal at checkout. If you use the link in the description and use Diamant as a code, you will actually sometimes even get double the discount that they offer on their website publicly. Now, let's get straight back into the video. Now, just to show you how effectively this works, we're not going to stray away from the recent price action that we just looked at, but we're just going to continue it. As price has continued, we can obviously tell that price has had this breaker structure towards the upside. So naturally, we're going to be marking out our zones. Now, most people would literally just set their limits at this particular area over here. And instead, what would happen if price doesn't even touch it? Now, what I want you to do is to watch price very closely. As it starts to approach this area, it doesn't have to come down all the way. Essentially, it has to come down to a kind of premium/discounted zone. And from that point onwards, we can observe price. Now, in particular, we're looking for the sweep, the breaker structure, and the engulfing candle rule. What have we got over here? A buildup of liquidity. We've got our sweep. We then have our breaker structure over here. Pullback, engulfing candle. And this is the exact scenario that you want to be entering. Now, I've tested this over years of data, by the way, and I'm going to upload it somewhere on the screen. Here are the results. It's insane. It works over many, many years of data, but it works very, very effectively. Now, this isn't the only example. As we continue onwards as well, you can clearly see price is continuing upwards, breaker structure over here. Price has this little pullback, And again, it has another breaker structure towards the upside. Instead, what price does is it looks like it's having this change of character, but instead of a change of character, this is actually the sweep that we're looking for. Why do we consider it a sweep? Because essentially the market direction is towards the upside. Once this sweep has actually occurred, price gives us this breaker structure towards the upside. We then mark up the order block that has formed, the pullback, which happens at exactly this point over here. Push up, pullback, engulfing candle. This is the exact ECR entry model that I want you to use every single time. We put our stop loss just below the low, and naturally we're always going to aim for a 3 risk to reward. Now, to take this even further to more of an advanced level, what I want you to do is to take partials at 3 risk to reward. So whenever you get to that level, but instead we're going to keep on trailing our stop loss towards the upside. As you can see, we continue it up again and again. So as we trail our stop loss from this point over here, every time we have a further breaker structure, we move it to the most recent low. So that's the most recent low there. We continue to move it up over there. As price continues up again, this is the new breaker structure. This is the pullback. So we're going to push our trailing stop loss over there. Overall, this trade would have hit how much? It's like a good 1 to 7 or so. Very, very simple. Every single time, this is all we're looking for. And by the way, the idea behind the trade is the context has to be uptrending or it has to be downtrending, and quite violently as well. It sounds kind of crazy when I say that. However, that's the type of context that we need to look for. So remember, it's always the sweep, the break structure, the pullback, and the engulfing candle. So remember, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing more and more examples every single week. Be sure to actually get that free PDF guide down below. It's a whole 48 pages of that PDF plus my A+ setup as well. It will really help. If you did want to watch me actually backtesting my strategy, watch this video over here. And until next time, take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one.